Today we will visualize the Floyd cycle detection algorithm. This also happens to be one of the most popular questions for coding interviews. Before we start, you should be familiar with the concept of singly linked list. Here we have a singly linked list with the third node starting the cycle. In this case, you can see that if we were to traverse the list, we will end up in a never-ending cycle. This is where the Floyd cycle detection algorithm comes in handy. To start, we will introduce two pointers, both initially pointed at the head of the linked list. The intuition behind the Floyd algorithm is that we can advance one pointer one step ahead of the other, so that eventually one of them will reach the end of the list, or both of them will meet, indicating that the cycle exists. Here is the code for the Floyd cycle detection algorithm. Let's visualize this using the example shown. First, we create two pointers, namely fast and slow, at the head of the list. Then we will begin to iterate through the list until we reach the end, which will be marked by a null pointer. In the first iteration, we will advance the fast pointer two nodes ahead, which will put it at the third node, and the slow pointer one node ahead, which puts it at the second node. Then we check if both pointers have met at the same node. Since they have not met, there is no cycle, so we move on to the second iteration. In the second iteration, we advance the fast pointer to the fifth node and the slow pointer to the third node. Since both pointers have not met, we will iterate again. In the third iteration, we advance the fast pointer by two nodes, which puts it at the third node due to the cycle. At the same time, we advance the slow pointer to the fourth node. Since both pointers have not met, we iterate again. In the fourth iteration, we advance the fast pointer to the fifth node and the slow pointer to the fifth node. Since both pointers have now met, this indicates a cycle, so we return true and thus completing the algorithm. If you like this video, please give a like and subscribe so I can create more content like this. Thank you for watching.